Tom Jurich's lawyers send cease-and-desist letter to private investigation company. Attorneys for former University of Louisville athletic director Tom Jurich are attempting to put a stop to the investigation being conducted by a local private detective agency. In response to a Courier Journal story posted online Monday describing the involvement of Kentucky Special Investigative Unit, the law firm of Frost Brown Todd warned company president Steve Thomas to cease and desist from any further actionable conduct immediately, noting that Jurich reserves the right to seek legal recourse against the company. A Kentucky Special Investigative Unit investigator contacted Courier Journal last week, seeking a copy of the university's recent endorsement contract with Adidas and any allegations of sexual harassment between Jurich and females involved with the university. The statements made by KCU, as reported in the article, are false, deplorable, tortious and defamatory, Frost Brown Todd's Corey J. Skolnick wrote in a letter obtained by Courier Journal. By making these statements on the record with a reporter at a prominent local newspaper, KCU has participated in an intentional smear campaign aimed at harming Mr. Jurich's reputation. Under Kentucky law, spreading such disinformation is actionable even if you are simply asking questions and making insinuations at the instruction of another. Background: Louisville's law firm hired a private detective to investigate ex-Louisville lad Tom Jurich more. Tom Jurich's case isn't unique. Here are 8 other times sports used private investigators' cease-and-desist letters have almost no legal standing, according to legal services site upcounsel.com. By contrast, a cease-and-desist order, issued by a court, has the force of a temporary injunction. When the university fired Jurich last October, it asserted the dismissal was for just cause and, therefore, invalidated the balance of his contract. Unlike basketball coach Rick Pitino, Jurich has yet to file suit against the university, but the involvement of the private investigator has complicated settlement talks. Even before the Kentucky Special Investigative Unit's role was reported, scheduled mediation sessions were postponed. Referring to the implication of sexual harassment allegations as a bold lie, Jurich responded that it is ironic to hire a private investigator to pursue allegations that simply do not exist. It is shocking and shameful that someone associated with the University of Louisville has hired a private investigator to pursue a witch hunt against me. Contacted Thursday, Thomas declined to comment on the cease-and-desist letter. The university's outside law firm, Stolke Non-Ogden, did not immediately respond to a request for comment. "First I've heard of it," university spokesman John Carman said.